Heidi. Thanks so much for ordering. I am way excited for you to get your makeup and to use it. So this video is just a resource or a reference for you to follow along with or reference back to when you're putting your makeup on. And I think we're going to be using the cheetah hack method since I know you didn't get any brushes yet. So this I think will be the easiest way for you to apply your makeup without any brushes. Or you'll have to have a brush, but I'm hoping maybe you have one that you can use at home. So I built a little compact here that, I know yours is a different print, but I put everything in here that you ordered or your colors that you have. So this is my contour olive, and you can set your compact up this way if you want to. It's totally up to you. So a contour here, olive, which is what you have. Your main highlight, which is June. Your brightening highlight, which is linen. And then you got the lip and cheek shade. Oh boy, I can't remember what it's called. This one's called Summer Love, but you got one similar to this. I can't remember the name of it though right now. Oh, Desert Sunset. You got Desert Sunset. So the cheetah hack method, make sure your hands are clean, because if you have dirty hands, it's gonna cause more breakouts on your face. So we are just gonna be using our fingers, like finger painting, to put our makeup on. So first I would start with your contour, which is olive. If they're cool or kind of cool, you can warm them up with a hairdryer, or you can breathe on them, like sometimes that warms them up a little bit if you need to, or just rub your finger in it for a second, it'll warm it up since they're cream. So I got my contour on, so I'm just going to kind of dab it where it belongs on my cheekbone here, just under my cheekbone. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to go back through and blend it out, but just dab it in there. And then the side. And then along your forehead here. And then you can put some on your jaw if you want to. And the sides of your nose. Kind of just help shape your nose up here. The other thing you can do with your contour is if you have a super fine point brush, like this little tiny brush, you can dab that into your contour and you can trace in your eyebrows if you wanted to. So that's another trick for that. You can also use it, if you have a little tiny brush, as like a lip liner before you put lipstick on if you wanted to. Gosh, I think the mailman almost just got stuck in our driveway. Okay, so then we'll go into your main highlight color, which is called June. So same thing with that. Just dab in with your finger, and you're just gonna put dots along your face. This main highlight goes everywhere you would grow a beard. Underneath that contour, on the top of your lip here, your cheeks and your chin. And then this also goes along the top of your forehead here. So that is it for that. And then you'll dab into your brightening highlight, and that goes everywhere you don't have product yet. So under your eyes, you kind of make the shape of a triangle here on the edge of your nose. the strip of your nose, in the middle, and then above your eyebrows here, just a little bit. And then you can even put your blush on now too. And then after this, all you're gonna do is blend it out. So if you have a big brush like this, that would be preferable. I know you look kind of crazy, but you have all the product where it needs to be right now. So a brush big like this or like this, either one, and then you just kind of go through and do circular motions and blend it all out till your heart's content. With the contour, I just blend back and up. I don't like to blend my contour out a ton because I like to be able to see it pretty well. And then the sides of my nose, I kind of just follow those lines. And then up here, I blend back into my hairline. And that really is all there is to it. Call it a day. If you want to, you can go back in and add a little bit more blush or contour or whatever you're needing for the day. And that's it. Super easy, so simple. I'm way excited for you to try it. Let me know what you think. If you wanted to, or if you have a setting spray or something, I usually follow up with a setting spray just to help my face last throughout the day. So if you notice it's not staying as long as you want it to, then you might want a setting spray or a setting powder, either one. Also, you can put your lip and cheek on your lips as well. Ta-da! So, if you feel like you're not getting the coverage you want, or if you're just don't feel like it's blending right or how you want it to, let me know, because it probably just means we need to try a different color for you. But there's lots of things we can do. Okay, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I hope you love it. But I'm here if you need me. Bye.